This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. So we are learning about reservations. So reservation, a small topic. Reservation can be done in 3 different ways. One is manual. Next one is automatic. Third one is explosion. Okay. In general, manual will keep it manual. So let me show you. Yesterday we have discussed about this one. We are going to learn about reservation against ordered quantity. This we are going to learn today, but let me show you this one first. Yesterday what we have discussed. So in accounts receivable module, accounts receivable module, setup, accounts receivable parameters. I'm sorry. Let me take duplicate. Okay, here we have 3 options: manual, automatic, explosion. So usually we can map manual or automatic, either one we will map it. So manual means once the transaction is created, I mean to say sales order is created, or transfer order also, sales order or transfer order, because these two are outgoing documents. Transfer order means we are sending material to our own warehouse. The same thing, sales order means it is like we are dispatching material to the customer. Okay, sales order means we are dispatching material to the customer. If it is a transfer order means we are dispatching material to our own warehouse. So in these 2 cases we have a reservation, so we can do the reservation. So if you look at this one, let me show you where it is available in sales and marketing. Sales orders, all sales orders. So if you go to the sales order, let me open. Meanwhile, I'm just opening another one. So in the parameters, we will map manual or automatic. Usually manual or automatic will map either one. Then automatically in the sales order, whatever you have mapped, that will be populated here. It's loading now. Give me a minute. In the line details setup tab, you can see in the line details setup tab, you can see the same thing. Manual or automatic reservation, whatever you have mapped at parameters level, that will be populated here. Okay, so once if it is a manual, you need to do reservation from here. Inventory reservation, this is must. If it is automatic, no need, then automatically it will be saved as automatic, and if you go inside, material will be reserved automatically, it will be reserved. So based on your requirement, I mean to say client requirement, you need to define whether it is automatic or manual. So then explosion, when it will be used, means usually for manufacturing. For manufacturing, raw materials should be reserved. So for that, we have inventory management, item model groups, item model groups. Here we have option reservation. In this, we have explosion. If you map explosion, instead of finished goods, it will be reserved raw material. Any doubt in this? Yesterday we have discussed all these things. 3. Any questions in this area? I hope it is clear. Okay, let me show you on-hand inventory, how it will looks like. If you go to product information management, released product, on-hand inventory, product information management, released products. Select the item and manage inventory, on-hand inventory. So if it is reserved, then it will show you reserved quantity. It will show you physical reserved quantity. So yesterday we did it like reservation. So by clicking, this is manual, we have mapped, and click on inventory and reservation, we did it. Then automatically those 5 quantity will be here available as reserved quantity. So available physical means 89. Suppose if you want to dispatch material to the other customers, you can dispatch the material to this material only. You cannot dispatch, even though in your warehouse it is 94 available, it is reserved, 5 quantity reserved against this sales order. You can see the same thing in the transactions. It is physically reserved. Reserved physical 2810 sales order was reserved physical. Okay, yesterday we saw this one. Small. Next, now today we'll try to understand on-hand inventory. Instead of on-hand inventory, I want to reserve against ordered quantity. Means we have given an order, suppose ordered in total. This quantity also can be reserved. That means on-hand inventory is not exist. Upcoming quantity can be reserved against sales order. So against that purchase order, you can reserve sales orders. So for that, I'm creating another new item, and I will not have any stock, and I will show you. It is available, this item. Give me a minute. Okay, 13003 is not exist. Suppose tables. I'm creating some name. Suppose if I click OK like this, then item model group, item group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, I have not mapped. Then can I use this item in the transaction? Anyone?
No, sir.
So if I go back here, validate, it will clearly show you a warning message. It will show you clearly a warning message for product. This one, we need to map all those things. You cannot create a transaction without all these things. Okay, I need to map item model group. The mandatory 8 fields, you need to map 8, like one is item model group, item group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group. So without this question, like what are the mandatory fields to map an item master, without this question, your interview will not be cleared. So you should be very much strongly need to explain the area wherever you know very strong. Okay, click OK. Close. Now I'm clicking on validate. So one more, it is not mapped. If I click on validate, I'm getting once again, item group does not exist. Item group does not exist. So it is must, you need to map item group. So that is in the manage cost fast tab. Manage cost fast tab. Okay, now if you click on validate, it will be satisfied all the mandatory required fields. So blue ribbon will come into the picture. Okay, fine. So item is ready. Now if you verify on hand inventory, this is in this we don't have any on hand inventory. It is blank. It is blank. Now if you want to reserve against ordered quantity, then we need to enable one checkbox, inventory management, setup inventory management parameters, reserve ordered items. You need to enable this checkbox, reserve ordered items. Fine, this is enabled. Now we'll create a purchase order first and then we'll create a sales order. Let me create a purchase order. So procurement and sourcing, purchase orders, all purchase orders. So click on new purchase order. Select any vendor account. Okay. Select any vendor, no problem. And where select site and warehouse. Click OK. Select this item 10003, which we have created just now. This is 10003 tables we are creating. Suppose 25 quantity we are purchasing. So we have given an order for 25 quantity. Now if you go to on hand inventory, if you refresh, now item tables, whatever it is there, ordered in total. Ordered in total. And now we have enabled this checkbox, reserved ordered items. Then now I am creating a new sales order. So we don't have on hand inventory. We don't have on hand inventory. So we are doing select site and warehouse, click on OK. Selecting the items. Suppose 5 quantity we are purchasing. Now if you verify on hand inventory, refresh, it is showing on order. Okay, ordered in total means purchase quantity, on order means sales quantity. Now what I'm doing reservation. This is manual. It is manual. That is the reason it was not updated as a reservation. Now I'm doing inventory reservation. So I can click on reserve lot. Look at this one, reserved ordered is updated. Instead of physical reserved physical, reserved ordered is updated. Now if you verify on hand inventory, it will be removed from here, it will be updated here, reserved ordered reserved. So upcoming quantity also we can do reservation. Understood? Any questions in this area? Small topic reservations, but we should know very clearly about the reservations.
Sir, if you want to unreserve, for that, if I am reserved by mistakenly more quantity, so I want to some quantity unreserved, then sir.
So if you want to remove, then you can remove it, this one. If you don't want, like instead of 5 quantity, if you want to reserve only 3, you can do reservation 3 only. Then it will show you 3 quantity reserved, 2 quantity on order. Whether I have given answer to your question or your question is different from my answer.
No, sir, got it.
Hey, hi Satya, Shubham here.
Yeah.
So I have one question like this reservation has been done for only sales order, right?
One is sales order, one is transfer order also. Because if you are doing transfer order, suppose outgoing documents, okay, inventory management, we learned transfer order as well, am I right? Earlier.
Yes, yes.
So in that transfer order also we can do reservation. If you go to transfer order, let me show you. This is because we are dispatching material to our own warehouse. This is also outgoing document. So for this also we can have a reservation. So if you click on here, I will show you. So from here we can do inventory reservation.
And in practical use, what exactly reservation means?
So like suppose, as discussed yesterday, suppose I have received an order, sales order at 10 o'clock. I have received an order from customer A, 20 quantity. My on-hand inventory is 25 quantity. So customer A, from customer A, I have received an order at 10 o'clock, and I have received another one more order at 10:30, and I have received another order at from customer C. This is customer B. It is 15 quantity, and this is 18 quantity. So if you reserve, suppose this customer is my like specific customer or reputed customer, so I want to dispatch material to this customer. Then if I do reservation, in the evening I'm going to dispatch material. Stores in charge is dispatching material at the like at 5 p.m. So we did reservation in the morning. So if he is if he is trying to dispatch material for this customer or for this customer, it will not allow you, even the stock is available. The material will be dispatched to this one. Remaining quantity, 10 quantity, if you want, you can dispatch to this one or this one. So we are giving preference to my customer, specific customer. This one will be used a lot. It means the material is very limited material available. If it is a huge material available, if I am purchasing some hundreds and if I am selling hundreds, no issues. If the scarcity or like on-hand inventory, available on-hand inventory is limited, in that case I will give preference to my regular customer rather than occasionally coming customers. Shubham, is it clear?
Yes, so a reservation is someone like a customer who are regular customer of some company, right?
So based on the on-hand inventory, because if it is on-hand inventory is available continuously, no need to do the reservation.
Okay, okay, okay.
If the on-hand inventory is means it is not a I mean to say, if it is a new items, it may not be available on-hand inventory. Am I right? For a new
Mm-hmm.
models. So for that specific case, we can make like this.
Okay.
So any more questions, please? Fine. Let us understand one more new topic: over delivery, under delivery. Over delivery, under delivery. Okay, fine. Suppose I have given an order for 100 quantity. I have received 105. I have received 105. Usually, I will not take over delivery. Usually, I will not take over delivery. What do you mean by this one? Means, suppose I have given order for 100 laptops. Then I will not receive 105 material. It is definitely 100 only I will receive. But suppose take the example, small negligible price items. What do you mean by negligible price items? Means, take the example, nuts and bolts. Okay, this is small pieces. I have given order for 100 quantity. I have received, instead of 100, I have received 105. I will take it. I will not fight with him because counting maybe mistakes happens. Then I will accept over delivery, under delivery for this quantity. If it is washing machines kind of items, usually I don't accept over delivery, under delivery. Means if I have given an order for 100 washing machines or 20 washing machines, definitely I will receive only 20, but not 25, 23, 21 or 18, 19. But whereas small piece of items, it may be required. Then we can have option to map over delivery, under delivery, and system will allow you to proceed. So let me show you where it is available, the options. Okay, the first one is whether you want over delivery, under delivery, whether you want it or not, you need to decide in the parameters. Let me show you the parameters first. Just give me a second, it's loading. So if you don't want in your company at all, don't enable that parameters. Just give me a second, it is loading. So it is available in procurement sourcing parameters. What happened? Just give me a second. Is it shut down? Fine. Just give me a second. So procurement and sourcing module. Procurement and sourcing module. Parameters. Setup parameters. So here in this, whether you want accept over delivery, under delivery, you need to enable this check boxes. Whether you want yes or no. Okay. So it is first one is for this, you need to go to procurement and sourcing, setup, procurement and sourcing parameters. Delivery tab. Delivery tab. Okay, you can map accept for delivery, under delivery. Okay, so whether you want it or not, you need to decide. So for electronic items, I don't want. For some businesses, it may be required. For, as I told you, automobile spare parts, it may be required. For some other businesses, it may be required. You can accept. Okay, fine. First one is this checkbox. Next one is in the on-hand inventory, like material. If you go to release product, how much percentage should be allowed? Let me close this one. So here for this item, you can map over delivery, under delivery. Look at this one in this. Just give me a second. Here, look at this one. Purchase fast tab, over delivery, under delivery. You can mention. In the same manner, sell tab also. Over delivery, under delivery. You can map. Usually for pieces, no issues. For pieces, not required. It may be same, but suppose take the example like kgs. For kgs, like take the example potatoes. Can you make exactly 1 kg? 1 kg potatoes? Is it possible? 1 kg means 1000 grams. Is it possible? Exactly whenever you are, so it may be 985 grams or something. I'm telling you 1025 grams. Agree with me,
Yes.
everyone? So this kind of situations, we can use this over delivery, under delivery function. Okay, so what do you mean by, let me map this one. Otherwise I will create new item with the kgs. Same example, potatoes. 10004 potatoes. Let me map item model group. Item group. Storage dimension group. Tracking dimension group. Suppose this is $25, $40, and this is 25. Click OK. Okay, now we have enabled this checkbox, and for this item we have enabled 10% variation is fine. Okay, a small mistake I did it. Let me correct it. The kgs, I want to make it kgs. So the first one is manage inventory. Inventory unit, I'm making it kgs. Okay, then purchase unit and sales unit also, I'm changing it to kgs. So I'm mapping 10%, 10%. For sales also, give me a minute. So here BY unit also, I need to map kgs. Give me a second. So let me save now. Okay. So purchase fast tab, we have mapped 10%, 10%. Sell fast tab 10%, 10%. I'm sorry. Fine. So we have mapped. Okay. The first one is the procurement sourcing parameters. We have accepted over delivery, under delivery, and in the release product we have mapped 10%, 10% as accepted percentage. Now we are creating a purchase order for this item. Let me delete this item. Click OK. Okay, it is reserved against. So it is not allowing to delete because it is reserved against that quantity. So it will not allow you. Let me create a new purchase order. I don't want to disturb that one. Okay, let me close these errors because if it is reserved, you cannot do it. Click on new. Okay, select the vendor. Select site and warehouse. Click OK. Okay, select the item 10004. So now I have given, sorry, 10004. Suppose I have given an order for 5 kgs. Okay. Now if you verify on hand inventory, refresh. So it is showing on order 5 quantity. Now I'm doing confirmation. So this kind of potatoes, not an example, perfect example. Business to business means it is not potatoes. This is a retail example. But iron, suppose you are purchasing iron and you are selling iron, then iron pieces will not be exactly kgs. Am I right? So for business to business, there are two scenarios. Whatever we are doing, it is B2B. T&L is always B2B, means business to business. Okay, whatever I have taken example, potatoes is business to retail. It is a retail industry example. Okay, fine. In real time scenario, it should be iron, to be frankly. Okay, now I'm receiving material, product receipt. Audible now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there is a network issue once again. So whenever I'm facing network issues, please wait for 1 minute. Okay, fine. Now in the purchase order also, whatever you have entered in the item master, whatever the percentage you have entered, that percentage is available here also. Over delivery, under delivery. Okay, so we are able to see in the delivery tab, line details, purchase order line details. Here you can find over delivery, under delivery. So for 5 over delivery, under delivery, 10% means how many? Otherwise, I will take 100 kgs so that it will be easy for you. I will take 100 kgs. 100 kgs we are purchasing. I'm doing confirmation. So instead of 100 kgs, I have received 102 kgs. 102 kgs I have received. Suppose I have received 110 kg, 15 kgs, 115 kgs I will do. Let me show you negative scenario first. So I have received product receipt 246. Okay, now 120 kgs I have received. Suppose 120 or 115 something. I am entering more than 10%. Then if I'm clicking OK, it will throw error message. Look at the error message. So what is the error message? Look at this one. Red ribbon means stopping. Over delivery on this line is 15%, but the allowed over delivery is 10%. Got my point? Understand any questions in this area? It will not allow more than 10%. Clear to everyone? This one first. Negative scenario. Because we have mapped 10%. We have mapped 10% for 100 kgs. Up to it will allow up to 100 kgs plus 10 kgs. Suppose 109 kgs, then it will allow you to proceed. So let me show. I'm doing product receipt. Suppose I'm receiving 108 kgs. One at 8 kgs. Click OK. Then it will allow you to post. So on order quantity is given like earlier it is 100. It is 100. Now if you are doing product receipt, once this product receipt is updated, it will become 108. If you refresh, it will be 108. Understood? So now if you go to general tab and related information, line quantity, the very first week we learned, second week we have learned Quantity 100, but received 108. And invoice remainder 108. Understood? Any doubts in this area? Anyone unmute, please let me know. Are you able to follow me or not? We can do invoicing normal procedure. If this product receipt is updated, invoicing is not a problem. We can complete the invoice. So I'm doing invoice. During invoice, I will select product receipt quantity. It will allow you to do it. So under delivery also will do it in 2 minutes. So particularly if it is a iron kind of items, if you are receiving, then it may not be exactly the weight whatever you are required. It may be plus or minus little bit. That percentage can be entered here and it will be allowed. So this is based on your business. I mean to say your means client business. You need to take the decision whether you want over delivery, under delivery, yes or no, and what is the percentage you need to mention in the item master. So any questions? I will show you under delivery also in 2 minutes. Okay, any questions before this one? Anyone can please unmute and whether you are able to hear my voice, yes or no, at least.
Yeah, sir, your voice is coming. Sir, here I have a question.
Yeah.
It related to that credit, sir. Suppose if I am vendor, I have given that 1 lakh credit and I use that one. I am going to do the purchase order. So where it will block, sir?
Creditor.
Yeah.
Are you talking about sales order credit limit?
Yes, sir.
So give me 2 minutes, I will show you. That is another different question, not from this one. Okay, give me a minute, I will show you.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. His question is like regarding credit limit. Credit limit, one of the topic I need to discuss with you both in finance and T&L. I will discuss with you later, but just let me give the clarifications to him. This is one of the small, very small topic, just a 5 minutes topic. So that is available in the customers, accounts receivable, or sales and marketing, customers, all customers. Here you can map credit limit. So where are you referring this credit limit, in which Tausif? Where you
That's a sale order, sir. If I'm supposed to do the sale order,
that is fine
so
in your VM, or in which application you are referring, because there are two things in credit limit. I'm showing you one scenario, one more scenario also there. So based on where you are verifying in the it's not, I mean to say, not in sales order, purchase order environment, whether it is installed in your system or in a trial version or in your company version.
the trial version, sir.
Trial version.
Microsoft trial. Yes.
Trial version. Okay, fine. Trial version, then I need to show you one more. That's why I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So this customer will have credit limit here. Look at this one. Customer credit limit, it is there. Okay, the amount. But if it is a trial version, then go to workspaces, feature management. If it is a trial version, I'm telling you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can go to all, feature management, all, and filter by here, credit. Okay, you will find credit management. Okay, it will be enabled here already. Try to make it disable now. Okay, Tosif,
Yes, sir.
you can disable it. Okay, disable this one and proceed with your work. So what is this meaning? I will explain you later, not now. I will
Okay.
explain you. Is actually the naming convention, it is credit management, but actually this is blocking rules.
Yeah.
This is blocking rules, a big subject. It is in the part of like year. Okay, if you want, definitely I will give clarifications more next month, not this month.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Because sir,
time.
I got one question, sir. That's why I'm asking here.
Okay, because this is if you enable this one, blocking
Yeah.
rules will be enabled. Blocking rules will be enabled. So it is majorly not credit management. It is majorly blocking rules. So it is one of like a half an hour topic I need to cover. Actually, it is a part of finance, but I will give you
Okay.
clarifications in T&L also, but not now.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
So pending, write down in your notebook as a pending point, credit limit with blocking rules.
Okay, sir.
Credit management with blocking rules. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Fine. Let me go back. Now, let me show you under delivery. Let me show you under delivery. Suppose I'm creating new purchase order. I'm creating a new purchase order. Select 02 something vendor. Let me select site and warehouse. Click OK. So now 13004. Suppose I'm giving an order for 20 kgs. So 20 kgs is 20 kgs one pack. One bag is there. So here it is 10% over delivery, under delivery is there. 10%. Fine. Now I'm doing confirmation. Tomorrow we'll discuss on active change management. New topic, active change management. We'll discuss on this one tomorrow topic. Fine. Let me proceed now. Now I'm receiving material under delivery. Under delivery means 19.5 kgs. The bag, like potatoes bag, it is 19.5 kgs only. So you can select here 19.5. Okay, and then you can click on close for receipt. Otherwise system will think like you have partially received. Remaining 0.5 you are going to receive. If you select this one, it will be closed for product receipt. Okay, so remaining 0.5 will be cancelled. Click OK. Now before this one, if you verify, it will show you ordered in total 20 kgs. Now it was updated to 27.5, means product receipt is updated. Understood? Any questions? So if you go to transactions, it will show you 108 and then 19.5 kgs. So this is, if it is not pieces, if it is like iron kind of thing, copper, these metals, you cannot get exactly the weight, because that iron rods may be plus or minus some weights. Am I right? That for that kind of businesses we can use over delivery, under delivery functionality. So I'm proceeding, I'm completing invoice. Any questions before going to end the session? Any questions, please? So if nothing, then we can wind up the session in 1 second. Let me finish the invoice. Update mass status and post. I think it may be throwing error message. Three-way matching failed. So matching principles, it is throwing error. Let me go here, pending invoice. Just give me 1 minute. Click on edit. The matching policy failed. I need to change it to product receipt quantity. So here I need to select product receipt quantity and update mass status. It should be passed. If this failed, we need to verify tomorrow. We'll verify this one tomorrow. Failed means three-way matching will not work for this item. It is failing product receipt quantity. Okay, so received quantity should be 20 only, it will allow. Otherwise, in the parameters, we need to remove. Fine. This one I will explain you later. You are going to learn next week. After 2 weeks, you are going to learn about this three-way matching policies. Okay, we'll discuss this one later. Means you are going to learn this topic most probably in this week, in this week you are going to learn. So 28th or something in this area, you are going to learn about this three-way matching policies. Fine. I'm stopping here for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time, 6 a.m. IST. See you all. Bye-bye.